this weekend I was at a media day shoot. It was so much fun. And we were talking about, they were asking me about some like things on Canva, and because they use Canva for a lot of their like content that they create. And so I figured, well, why don't I make a little video about it? And so I can just share the video with everybody. Yay. So today I'm going to teach you on Canva how to mask an image and just kind of go over layers and like a style that's very popular right now with the whole cutout thing. And so my Adobe designers, like, of course we can do this on Photoshop, and I might do, that's probably a good idea. I think today I'll do the Canva, and then next week I'll do the Photoshop. So you can see how to do it on Canva and then how to do it on Photoshop. So, all right, let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna just do this live. So I'm on Canva. I chose the social media square, and you're just gonna drag your photo in. And let's just open that up. Looks like her feet are gonna be cut off a little bit. That's usually not ideal, but that's okay. It's just a little tutorial. Okay, so let's do fall fashion. And we are going to... So the purpose of this video is to show you how to create a cutout. So we're gonna put, so it's layers. We're creating layers right now. So this is gonna be your back layer. So right now I'm going to copy it, then I'm gonna lock it so that layer doesn't move, and then let me paste it, and then we're going to remove the background. Perfect, so now you see the text behind her. So now I'm gonna kind of drag these two sides in just so I can grab that fall fashion behind her. This is just a little extra, but I think would be really cool is if you like added a shadow. You don't really have to, but it might be kind of neat. We'll keep it simple for right now. So you saw that I pulled these two blocks in, so I'm gonna grab this now and I'm going to copy it. And then right click, paste it. So now you see that's on top. So I'm gonna line this up. And then now I'm going to do an outline of this. So this is kind of like a popular design that's out right now that I've been seeing. And there you go. Ta-da! So that's how you do it. Then you're going to click share, download, and then I usually just do JPEG. I like the higher quality, and I usually bump this up just a little bit, and then we'll download it. And here we have our fall fashion design, layer design. All right. There you have it. Have a good day.